Do you ever look at your bank statements and wonder, where did all my money go? You're not alone. It's a question that plagues us all, and it's precisely the problem apps like Rocket Money claim to solve. By linking your bank accounts, they promise to give you a clear, accurate picture of your spending. But how accurate are those spending reports, really? That's what we're here to find out. We've all seen the flashy ads showing beautiful pie charts and effortless breakdowns of your finances. Rocket Money's main selling point is its ability to automatically categorize your transactions, from groceries to gas to subscriptions you didn't even know you still had. For many people, this feature alone is a game changer. It can be a massive time saver compared to manually tracking every single purchase in a spreadsheet. And for the most part, it does a pretty good job. It's excellent at identifying and flagging those recurring charges, and for standard purchases, it's surprisingly on point. You can look at a pie chart and see exactly where your money is going. But here's the thing, it's not perfect. It's an algorithm, not a person. Sometimes a trip to Target ends up as shopping instead of being split between groceries and home goods. Or a transfer between your own accounts might be flagged as an expense. The good news is that Rocket Money gives you the power to fix these things. You can easily recategorize a transaction, split a single purchase into multiple categories, and even create custom rules for future transactions from the same vendor. So, while it might not be 100% accurate right out of the box, the tools it provides allow you to dial in the precision. It takes a little initial effort to get everything set up exactly how you want it, but once you do, the reports become a very powerful and highly accurate tool. Ultimately, the accuracy of Rocket Money's spending reports is a partnership between you and the app. It provides a strong foundation and does most of the heavy lifting, but it relies on your input for that final layer of perfection. So, if you're willing to spend a few minutes a week tweaking and refining, you'll find that the reports are an incredibly insightful and accurate representation of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.